Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Apollonia and today I'm going to be demonstrating the Mented Cosmetics Sangria Liquid Lipstick Collection for those of you who are shade T30 in their foundation, like myself. Since we've been on quarantine, I've been trying to get my fair share of vitamin D, so my foundation shade is now T30, and I want to demonstrate the liquid lipstick products for you, just so that you can get a better understanding of how they might look on you if you're my foundation shade as well. So you've definitely heard me talk about Mented Cosmetics before. I love all of their products and their shades are definitely spot on. The co-founders Amanda E. Johnson and KJ Miller also won the Female Founders Award, which they definitely deserve in my opinion because the brand is just that good. So the Sangria Liquid Lipstick Collection comes with 5 shades. And they're $20 each, but if you buy them in the collection, they're $90 altogether. Of course, if you do $20 separate, that would be $100, so you're getting a $10 discount. So I want to swatch them for you and then also test them out. So the first shade that I'm going to be demoing is Blood Orange. Honestly, I think that I bought the liquid lipsticks just because of this color. So I'm going to swatch. You can see how pretty that is. And some people like to put powder or concealer over their lips before they do liquid lipstick. I usually don't do that because if I'm going out and I want to reapply my lipstick, I'm not going to have the powder and concealer to do that. So I usually just do it as it is. Let's add a little more. So beautiful. I think that this matches me perfectly. If I had to choose any one color, right now this is my favorite. And I kind of knew that, which is why I purchased the whole collection just to see, but I knew that I would love this one. And I actually did a test before I decided to record because I wanted to see how long the liquid lipstick would stay on. So I tried it on the other day and I ate and I drank, and without reapplication, the liquid lipstick lasted about 3.5 hours, which I think is pretty good since you're eating and you're drinking. It doesn't really come off that much, but you definitely will have to reapply. I didn't test to see how long it would last without eating and drinking because I wasn't trying to fast. I think that would be a little bit too much to test out a product, but for me, 3 to 4 hours is pretty good without reapplication. This shade will definitely be my go-to. I'm running to the store, going grocery shopping, going on a date, going out to brunch, you name it. This is probably my I can wear everywhere with everything lipstick. All right, so I want to try on the next shade. So to do that, I'm gonna take it off with my Dhc Deep Cleansing Oil. I'm gonna rub a little bit of that on my lips. From there, it should just come right off. So the next shade that I want to try is Peachy-keen. Out of all the shades, I think I'm most nervous about this one because I feel like it might be a little too light. So the color is light. It's not as dark as I would like for it to be, but it doesn't look bad. I think it's kind of cute, something that I would wear on special occasions. So far, the Blood Orange shade is still #1 for me right now. I think it really depends on what colors you're used to wearing. For me, I like my reds, plums, burgundies. I'm not used to wearing light colors like this, but I feel like I can figure out how to work it into my beauty routine somehow. The next shade I'm going to try is Plump On Over. might be a shade that you would have to use concealer under. So far I've tried on 3 shades, and what I'm loving about them is that my lips don't feel overly dry. Being that they're liquid lipstick, they dry matte, but my lips don't feel really dried out. And also, they all so far look really good with my skin tone, so they might all just be like winners for me. So for this one, this is a little bit more vampy. I would probably wear this out like to the club or girls' night out or something like that. The next shade that I'm going to be applying is Hot Date. I've always been afraid to wear brown lipstick because I feel like it washes out my skin tone. So let's try this one. I find it crazy how wearable all of these lipstick shades are. I generally don't wear brown lipstick, but I can see myself wearing this. And for this one, I needed to add on a couple of layers, so if you don't want your natural lip color to peek through, you may want to use concealer under this one as well. But aside from all of that, this is a nice color. I think this is like a universal nice brown. It's not too ashy to make it look like my skin tone is washed out. And it's also not too dark. So just for kicks, I applied the Nudes gloss over top of the Hot Date lipstick, and look how sexy that is. It looks even better with gloss on it. This is probably how I'd end up wearing it, with the gloss over top. Alright, take it off. And the last shade that I'm going to be trying on today is Blacker the Berry. Almost matches my top here. I'm not gonna lie, my lips are burning right now. This is my kind of burgundy. So that is it for the Sangria liquid lipstick collection. I honestly love all the colors. I think they are so flattering and they complement my skin tone very well. So if you're T30 and you decide that you want to get the collection, you have absolutely nothing to worry about. So the Sangria liquid lipstick is a part of the Play All Day collection, which also features high precision brow pencils. So right now I have on Brow Down, which is a deep brown shade. And if you haven't tried any of Mented Cosmetics products, I suggest you go ahead and do so. This is not a sponsored video, I just really love their stuff. And that is it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.